Hey guys, welcome to iToolab. Today, we're going to teach you how to unlock a disabled iPhone. After you've entered 6 times with wrong passcode, your iPhone will be unavailable and remind you to try again 1 minute. There are 3 methods to get rid of disabled iPhone here. Method 1. Unlock iPhone using UnlockGo 100% working. Method 2. Restore your iPhone using iTunes. Method 3. Erase iPhone using Find My. Method 1. Unlock a disabled iPhone with UnlockGo. Click the link below to install UnlockGo. Select Unlock Screen Passcode, and click Start to begin the process. Next, the program shows that no device is detected. Choose your iPhone mode and put it into recovery mode. After your iPhone has entered recovery mode, UnlockGo starts to install the latest firmware. Just click the download button. It will take about 1 minute to download the firmware. Just be patient for a while. Firmware has been downloaded successfully. You can start to unlock your iPhone now. The whole process will take some time, usually about 10 minutes, and don't disconnect the device. Unlocking process is finished, and your iPhone will be restarted again. Just check your iPhone and see if it is unlocked successfully. Congratulations, your iPhone is rebooted without any question, and you can normally use it again. Method 2. Restore your iPhone using iTunes. 1. If you don't have iTunes, download it firstly on your computer. 2. Then manually put your iPhone into recovery mode. 3. Launch iTunes and connect your iPhone to the computer. After your device is connected, you will see the prompted message. Just click the Restore button. Method 3. Erase iPhone using Find My. 1. This method only works when you have logged into iCloud.com/find before you get locked. 2. Plus, you gotta need another iOS device which has been signed into the same Apple ID. 3. Two-factor authentication for Apple ID. Go to the online Find My iPhone, and you can choose the locked iPhone. Select Erase iPhone. Go to iToolab.com, explore more, and don't forget to subscribe us.